Just die. Right.
Bro. Randy, what happened? What the fuck? Dude, you were walking loud and now you're here? Dude, you're hacking.
Dude, okay.
Dude, you're hacking.
I air dive.
Randy, where are you going?
I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I just let
Rainy,
people
I
carry
thought you
me
knew
on
this
map. I let people carry me on this map. I don't even press any buttons. Oh my god, they passed that?
Wait, wait, why? Man, I was happy.
No way, dude.
Really had to do... Yes.
Oh, I like your buff avatar.
Dude, this looks like a cane star. What's the point of that zip line?
Oh my, no.
Dude!
Oh wait, they added stairs. How kind of them.
Oh, yeah, on top. Oh.
Yeah, they added stairs. Don't.
What is this map?
Come on.
Dude!
Oh, Randy, what happened?
Wait, I can come back. I can come back.
Oh, Randy, you suck.
Hey, I can
I
come
got it.
back. I can come back. Wait, hold on. I'm actually coming back. No way.
Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.
Oh, shoot.
I'm gonna overreact over my
Look
next
at the
death.
game.
Death to content.
Easy.
Oh,
Retro Master.
This is my favorite map. I'm so excited.
I'm sorry.
God,
Guys,
this is
we are
normal
late.
timing.
It is all your fault.
No, oh my god. SBK, you gotta beat this for the content, man. You gotta beat
Randy,
this.
that was my button, dude. I hope you die. RCB, dude.
Okay,
Dude, you're so bad, man.
My avatar blended in with Ignis Peaks and I died. That's why I died, guys. Trust me.
Gambling! Gambling!
Guys, let's go to Souls RNG, guys. This is literally Souls RNG.
Dude, bro, I have a better ore than you on Souls RNG.
Oh, you guys play Source RNG. Oh, you guys suck. I just started.
Come on, Smart. You gotta roll the best aura. Come on, quick. You're almost there.
I did collect the Chaos Emerald. I collected the yellow one. Oh my god, I hope you. Rainy, I hate you.
See button? See button?
Wah, 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 wah.
Wah, wah, wah.
Good imitation
Wah,
song.
wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah. Oh, Diana.
Dans mon esprit tout divin.
This map
You just chucked the glass? I'm dead.
What are you screaming at me for, SPK?
Rainy, good. Rainy. Rainy, what the fuck?
Hey, SBK, what is your opinion on Mars Station? Yeah, okay, I guess I can see it.
Rainy, don't die, Rainy. Oh, did you die? Oh, you suck. SVK, bro.
Oh my.
Oh, you guys suck.
I lied. I literally lied.
I'm waiting.
Who's that?
I'm never gonna die on this map. This map is my favorite.
Yeah, you're dead. What's this in?
Oh my god.
Okay.
I hate this game so much. Yippee!
How is Rainy so what the fuck? Why is he emoting?
I'm lagging, dude.
Why is he emoting?
Oh, I like this. Oh my god, Rainy, what the heck's going on?
Dude, I'm so lagging, bro. Lagging so bad.
Rainy,
Why
Rainy
are you
like needs
using
his
your
own
screen?
YouTube channel. He could just post like live compilations. Just awesome.
Oh, he died.
Oh, good game. Deserted District. I love Deserted District. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 What? Oh, no.
Wait, it's still alive? Oh, it's
Okay,
still
there.
alive.
I'm dead now. I'm dead.
Oh my god!